Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to customize these BBURAGO F1 diecast, creating the liveries of this year. First we need to take some screenshots of the livery we want to recreate, in this case the McLaren MCL 40. After that, we need to insert the screenshots we took into a Google Slides project and print them on a sheet of sticker paper. After printing, I remove last year's labels from the diecast that we will customize. Now let's cut out this part of the sheet to attach it to the model. After gluing, let's cut out the rear wing to the most suitable size. Important, make a small cut in the area I indicate to fit into the rear wing of the car. Once the latter is glued, we cut out the two front wings. Now let's move on to the most important part. Cut out the center of the car that best fits the dimensions of the diecast. Now it's the right side's turn. After gluing this part, our custom BBURAGO F1 diecast is ready. Please comment if you have any questions or doubts. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Cheers!